Hello everybody, Florida investor. Once again, I got another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to talk about a stock that I have talked about before, and that is D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS. And I've mentioned it in previous videos. Quantum computing is the future. Right now, everybody's talking about AI, and because that's a broader term. Quantum computing it's basically at some point it's gonna be part of AI, because it's just part of technology. They will find ways to integrate it anyways. But what you guys are seeing right now is after, if you look at, well, just today's up almost 19%. Obviously, the drawback of short or small stocks, basically what end up happening is that just as how it's up 19%, it can be down 20-30% in a matter of a day or two. So yes, in other words, they're more volatile, but if you happen to catch it at the right time, if you look at the 52-week highs, 52-week high was $46 and it's sitting at 31. So obviously that's a big swing. But the point is, again, not financial advice. Do your own research, but in my opinion, I've been in this stock and on and off since it was about $4, and you see that it's about $32 roughly, and it made it all the way up to 40 something dollars. Now, a lot of people can say, well, that's just speculation, that is just a hype, and that's true. But the same is true with Tesla. The same was true with Nvidia, Google. Anyways, you guys get the point. With many of these big corporations, now they are multi-trillion-dollar corporations, and at one point for many years, the market thought the same thing, that it was actually that it was just something that was going to disappear. It wasn't going to gain much momentum, etc. And quantum computing is on the very early stages right now. D-Wave, the reason why I like D-Wave is because yes, they're not profitable right now, but Tesla wasn't profitable until 2020. So in other words, just because a company is losing money doesn't mean that long term it's not going to succeed. That just pretty much happens with the majority of business. They can secure a lot of funding, but eventually that money is going to run out. And if they're not profitable, they're going to burn cash. They're going to lose money. And as long as they keep landing contracts and awards and stuff like that, contracts from the government or contracts from different companies, so in other words, business partnerships, then of course that will be their lifeline in a sense, because that's going to infuse cash on them. And that's basically what I'm seeing with D-Wave. D-Wave, what I like about it is it has products already in the market. It's picking up partnerships slowly but surely. And that's basically one of the reasons why I particularly like this quantum stock the best. Now, if we looked, 14 analyst ratings, all of them give it 100%. Robinhood investors have kind of lost faith in it. Hedge funds, look at hedge funds. So obviously hedge funds are bullish on it. Insiders, it's kind of hard to see it. Yes, they have bought some shares, they have sold some shares, bought some shares, so nothing really to write home about. But personally, if you look at the comment, it says in Q3 2025, hedge fund ownership of QBTS increased by 1.29 million shares versus Q2. So again, in one quarter, many hedge fund managers have been buying this particular stock, because there is potential, in my opinion. Now let's take a quick look at why it's running today, according to the Motley Fool. So D-Wave Quantum stock more than triple this year. Shares are since 10:40 this morning has soared 13.5%, but we know that it's sitting basically at 19% when I was showing you guys. Now let's take a look at the it's up 19.39%. Now for the year to date, it's up a massively, ridiculous 276%. For the year, it's up almost 300%. Now, is it going to continue this massive run up? I mean, I wouldn't say so, but I wouldn't bet against it. If you guys look at Netflix, for example, in another video that I made, since inception, I mean, Netflix is up like, I think it was somewhere in the 90,000%. Obviously, I'm not saying that the D-Wave or QBTS is going to do the same thing, but it has the potential to continue to run up. And especially because quantum computing is very, very early right now, in the sense of commercialization and, you know, and making it available to the public. So again, do your own research, guys, but keep this on your mind, keep it on your radar. It has potential. It is at a decent amount down from the 52-week low, so that's a good buying opportunity, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. But I wanted to, once again, put this on your radar, guys. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can and as fast as I can. Any suggestion, guys, anything you would like to see, put them in the comment section below. You know, help me out. I want to make videos of what you guys want to see, so that way I can bring even more relevant content for you guys. But other than that, have a good day. Thank you for watching.